Hey guys, it's Karl with a K here again with Keys from Karl, and we are in the Maverick Tremor, and I'm going to show you some cool features that are available on this Maverick and some things that you may not be aware of. So on your home screen here, I'm at the home screen to the right side, you've got features. I'm going to click on that and it's going to bring up driver assist. You have your towing, owner's manual, and it can feedback if you want to send it back to Ford. Today we're going to talk about your driver assist. So here on driver assist, I have options for cruise control. It is set up for adaptive. To my right, I can change that by going into the menu. Right now it's set for lane centering to be on. So when cruise control is on, lane centering is on, and that keeps you centered in the lane. I could go to normal cruise if I didn't want adaptive cruise. And I could also go to predictive speed assist, which basically controls my speed limit and how fast I drive. Some people like it, some people don't. I will go back out of this. Oh, one more thing, the I here, on any feature that Ford has, if you see an I button, that's information. So I'm going to click on the I. It allows you to choose the type of cruise control you want to use. For example, your vehicle can maintain a set speed or adjust the speed to maintain distance from a vehicle ahead. If equipped, that's adaptive cruise. So I'm going to turn that off. Once again, you got speed limit assist. I'll hit the I button. Allows you to set the vehicle response to posted speed limit. So if it's doing speed limit changes to 55 from 65, it will slow you down automatically and only stay at the speed limit. Once again, some people like it, some people don't. But you got things like lane keeping, alert and aid, pre-collision assist, warning, braking, evasive steering. We've talked about rear camera delay before. You can see that in the video with the Lincoln Navigator. Blind spot information system available. It's on. That's in your side mirrors. Parking sensors are on, front and rear. Cross traffic alert is on. Reverse brake assist is on, and driver alert is on. Ford and Lincoln have some really cool safety features that can protect you and keep you from getting hurt or minimize any kind of hurt you may have if you were in an accident. Once again, guys, this is Karl with a K. I appreciate you following me on all the social media platforms, and I hope that you learned something new today with some driver assist here. Thanks again, and remember, get your keys from Karl.